I started feeling the pain and discomfort. It has to be now at least 3 years, 3.5 years ago. I do a lot of long distance walking, and it started to give me trouble, and started to give me a lot of pain. So I went to my GP. I asked my GP to have a look, and he'd give me x-rays. When we looked at the x-rays, we noticed then that the left hip was very badly damaged, and I needed surgery. So after waiting for maybe 1.5, nearly 2 years, I had to look for another alternative. And my wife then researched Lithuania and FI Clinica, and this is where we came, and this is where we are today.
Yeah, we saw a lady on the news, our BBC News first, that had come to Lithuania, and then we contacted her, and then we decided to follow what she'd been doing. So we looked around at different areas and contacted a few different clinics, and we decided on FI Clinica. And we've had nothing but really positive experience so far, especially with Paula. She's been absolutely brilliant and instant come back to us as soon as we email, information, and really, really positive so far, isn't it?
Excellent. 5-star service. Far better than what we get back at home.
Yeah.
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 When we told our family that we were decided to come abroad, they were quite surprised, especially Lithuania, because it's so close to so many borders. But after looking at the reviews and everything else, we didn't have no fears at all. I need to get my hip replaced. I need to get my life back on track. And it was no doubt in my mind at all, either with my wife. We both made the decision. We just had to come here.
So it started with me doing the research first, and I had to convince Steve. And he was a bit of, oh, no, I don't think so. But I forced him to look at everything, all the information, and then we went from there. And then you told your sons, and Steve's son is also looking to have an ankle replacement or an ankle surgery, and they don't do that in the UK. So he was quite keen to come with Steve, but he's going to see how this goes first, and then maybe he's going to come as well, isn't he?
Probably you will.
Yeah.
Well, when we arrived this morning by taxi, we were really surprised. It's fantastic. Can't fault it. It's perfect.
It's beautiful. Yeah, it is beautiful.
The whole building is laid out more like a hotel rather than a clinic.
Yeah.
Which takes your fears away straight away, makes you feel relaxed, and makes you feel a lot better about the procedure that I'm going to face.
Very calming, clean
Yeah.
environment.
Yeah.
Really, really lovely. Yeah.
Yeah, and everybody's so nice.
Mm.